Only time the day is one. Sunny dancing and everything's fine. A gentle breeze, the city's slow. I take a seat, let the moment flow. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. I stir it slow, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours, I feel at ease. Like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in me.
Are you snap? Moshi moshi aro. That's good. Here you go. I'll use it. Sala. Gawin natin yung chicken dance sa kalye.
Bennett and Chef Robert in the house. Fresh pomodoro, cherry, and lots of garlic with Parmigiano Reggiano. And we have the organic extra virgin oil. Damn. Pasta al pomodoro. Here, like a freshly harvest fresh basil. Hey,
From the garden.
what can you say?
Say hi naman.
Hi.
That's it? Ano ko yan?
Hope you like it.
Okay, so now we're doing the final touch here, like a drizzle with olive oil. Come on. Yeah, yeah, like that. Everywhere. Just a drizzle like that. Kaboom. Like that. Bruschetta in the house. See? Mainit.
Ganda niya na.
Mainit. Then, can you move the pasta? Thank you. Pinakuha ko kay Kiela. Ito, may mga ibang
natin pag
Wow.
Yo, sabay kagad.
bruschetta.
si Sandra taga-check kung may lason yung kakainin. Pagka safe na, tsaka tatawagan si Joby.
Malibu. Yummy. Ay! Ay, nakita na naman ako. Put it in the vlog.
Oh, it smells like weed.
That's Kiela.
It's okay.
Get Mom Yuzu.
I don't know if she's gonna like that.
It's our address.
Harry Potter!
Don't touch the mic. It's not tissue.
You have it somewhere.
Bro, I used to stop them.
Really?
In the summer, I used to watch
No, Jake, I like prefer John.
Di ba?
I think because when I look at Jake, he gives up mega frat boy.
Our second last night. No.
Hurting my head. That I said. I know. The things that I drink. I fire die.
Ayun na si Shopee pa!
Oh, if I only see that the joke was on me. Look at this guy.
Hindi na umaabot yung bata.
Over my eyes. And I fell out of bed, hurting my head from things that I said.
After all, it's your stars.
Ayun.
Diba?
Diba?
Ging, ging. Ooh.
Well,
Well.
Ina mo, may palo pa sa buhay. Dito. Kaya mo, ano? Ganun pag ginawa mo. Tapos kanina lang, ganun pag ginawa mo.
Yeah. I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless,
Ayun.
and all you see is nothing but darkness. Don't give up, just walk on.
Oh my goodness.
help failing yourself.
For my love will see through.
Sa mga kombinasyon ng Lil Fidel sa Kati.
Oh my goodness.
Bye.
Gago, ano yan? Ano yan? Ano ba yan? Suka ba yan?
Miss you, Alden, bro. Miss you, bro. Miss you, Alden. Ano to? Sikreto? Ano to?
Butterfly flea.
Kailangan mag-stay awake until 6 a.m.
Butterfly flea, ano? Flowers?
Ah.
Flowers? Ayun, flowers. Ano, special sauce to, ah.
Para si Josiah daw. Grabe to si Kuya Joey. Grabe, oh. Ay, sus. May dance-dance na ngayon. Puta, oh. Laka. Si Tito. Tea party. Let's go, guys.
Now I'm done filming the filming. Oh, ito na, okay na. Okay, game. We're gonna unbox this. These are acrylic clips. So it's like this. Bella. Okay. So na-open na namin yung isa, si Colette. And then now we're gonna open more. Ikaw muna. Sabay na tayo. Okay. Me? Joanna! Malo! Next one. Joanna! Ay, buksan na to. Every Joanna will gotta get. Just kidding. Oh, Colette! Colette. Colette. You have a lot of Colette. With Charms Keychain. Okay. Let's see. Tigdalawa tayo. Sige, tigdalawa kami. Ikaw muna. Hindi ko babuksan. Wow, it's so cute! Wow, Mika! Sino mo? Baby mo. Oh my God, Colette! Uy, ang cute! Okay, another one, last one. Joanna! Uy, si Sheena! Mika na naman. Sheena! Ano ba yun? Pen holder. Oo. Wow! Diyos! Ay, Maloy! Akala ko Joanna. Wow! Yay! Oh, this one. Maloy. Uy, Mika! Ano ba to? Pen holder. Isa? Ayan. Ay, sorry. Hindi nagdodoble. Joanna! Hello! So cute! Sa'yo na yan. Hindi, sa'yo na. Hindi, sa'yo na to. Ito yung Joanna to. One, together daw. Over here. And then, wait lang. And then, oh my God. Asan ka? Paano ba?